All right, so we just got here to the Welcome Center in Sandestin at the agency's office, and we're gonna install this piece of art. And after this, we're gonna go to the other office over on 38 in Seacrest Beach and install another piece of art. So yeah, here we go.